folks, Dave Schulke here with the Twin Home Experts, here to detect a sewer odor in a building. So let's get started. Okay, so here we are in the second floor of the office building. And what we're dealing with here, folks, is an intermittent sewer smell. It's not here every single day, so it's a little bit more of a challenge. We're having a lot of office staff or employees complaining about feeling nausea, they're feeling sick, eye irritation, so it's pretty strong. So the first step we're going to take is we're going to utilize this piece of equipment here. We're going to check the toilets and the floor drain. So let's show you what that looks like. All right, folks, so we're here in the bathroom that's adjacent to the office staff that are having the issue. So you always want to start with the plumbing that's closest to the affected room. So most people by now understand that checking the P-traps to make sure that they're not dry. The P-traps is what prevents the sewer gases from coming up inside. So again, most people already know that, making sure that you fill those P-traps up. Any type of P-trap, whether it's a shower or a sink, you've got to make sure, obviously, that P-traps are holding water. Now we're in a commercial building, it's occupied. Don't really have time to be pulling these toilets apart. So wax seals and sewer gases do seep through the base of the toilet as well as where the bolts are. This right here is a gas sniffer, and it really does a great job with picking up methane gas. So what you want to do is just calibrate this, put it on a low setting, and then you want to just take the tip of this and put it around the base of the toilet. Now, if we are leaking any sewer gas whatsoever, you're going to end up hearing this noise. But as you can see, nothing so far. The second thing you want to do is in bathrooms, you do have, most often, you have floor drains. So you can put this over the floor drain like this. All right, folks, I'm going to speak kind of close to the speaker because we've got a fan right above us here, so hopefully you can hear this okay. But typically urinals have a wax seal or a rubber seal. If it is compromised, you will get sewer gases coming out of here. So again, just calibrate. Definitely an issue right here, folks. Yep, this is definitely an issue right here. So we've already found one utilizing this device right here. The other thing too is look out for clean out covers like this. What happens is a lot of plumbers drive the screw through the plug of the sewer clean out. Sewer gases can come through there as well. Again, this is a great tool. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead now and pump our smoke inside the P-traps. Let us go ahead and show you what that looks like. Because we're in an occupied environment, a lot of office staff, you really can't be utilizing the traditional smoke bombs because they're not only toxic, but if this type of smoke gets inside an office building or even inside of a home, it gets into your fabrics, your carpet, your walls. Very difficult to remove the residue that these give off. So very important that you stay away from this type of smoke testing. These are great for outside. So if you've seen some of our videos, some of these sewer smoke tests that we've discovered outside, this is a great way to find that. But because we're inside, we love this technology here. It's our UV smoke, it's odorless, actually has a little bit of a citrus smell. But again, it's not going to leave any residue. It does a great job with locating leaks. You can work during business hours. It's not going to have any liability on your property or employees. So this is a great piece of technology that does a great job. As you can see here, I'll fire this thing up. And you can see the amount of smoke that it lets off. Look at that. Again, a little bit of a smell, citrus smell, but again, does a great job. All right, let's go ahead and put it in the pipe. All right, folks, so you can see we've got a rubber cone here. This is what we're going to insert inside of the drain here. So just like that. All right, just pull it out just a little bit. I want to verify we've got smoke. And there's the smoke. All right, folks, so here we are. Detected quite a bit of smoke in these fittings here. So let's go ahead and verify by injecting some more smoke. Look at that, folks. Look at how much sewer gas is coming out of this dollar plug. We're going to temporarily seal this off with some black sticky tape, so that way we can continue running the smoke test to see if there's any other breaches. We're ready. All right, folks, so as you can see, we're getting smoke coming from above the sinks right here. So what we've done is we've opened up and we've located a break in the vent pipe. This is a cast iron pipe that basically snapped. So all the sewer gas has been traveling down this wall and then through the office space over here where that cabinet is. All right, folks, so here's the pipe without the smoke. You can see the major crack there. So this is where it snapped off. And those pipes are supposed to be joining together. Bam! Right there, folks. We found 2 sewer odor leaks affecting this office building right here. We've solved the problem utilizing, UV smoke, our cameras, the methane leak testing equipment. So it's super important that if you're going to locate a sewer odor, especially an intermittent sewer odor affecting your office space, make sure you have the right equipment to get to the bottom of it. Well, folks, hopefully this gave you the insight of how to find the sewer odor in your building. If you please give us thumbs up, let us know what your comments are, and if you want more videos like this, please hit that subscribe button. And as always, thanks for watching.